So I made a bath bomb. I let it set for, I think, most of the ones I did for 3 or 4 days. This one's actually been, I think, a little bit longer than a week. And now I'd like to show you how to dissolve it. So sometimes they'll come right out. Sometimes you have to tap the, a couple times and it'll come loose. This one is very hard. It's very dried out. I have the beaker that we sent to you. It's filled up with 1,000 milliliters of, I just did tap water. And the only thing you want to do is make sure you're consistent. Don't do hot water one time and cold water the next time, and 500 milliliters one time and 1,000 milliliters the next time. We want you to control the water as much as you can. I also have a timing device, and what I'm going to do is just drop the bath bomb in the beaker and start the timer as close to the same time as I can. I'm not that coordinated, but there we go. And I did learn by doing this a few times to move my phone away so it doesn't get splashed. And this is not the most exciting next few minutes, but you just watch this thing dissolve. And again, consistency is what's important. So what I've been doing is usually at some point a chunk of the bath bomb that hasn't dissolved yet will float up to the top. The water clears up a little bit, and I'm hoping that you'll be able to see that on the video. But when that last little bit that's floating dissolves, that's when I've been stopping the timer. I don't know if I can get down on top of this. It's not quite as much water as in a bathtub, so the foaming is more concentrated. And so what's bubbling out of here, hopefully by now you realize, is carbon dioxide gas. Probably if I had any video editing skills, I could speed this up for you. Well, you guys are sort of the YouTube, social media generation, so hopefully you know how to watch this at more than normal speed. And, it's bubbling away. My timer is timing away. And there's a piece that just floated up to the top. It's right here. I don't know if you can see it. And that's pretty much it. When that's gone, I will stop the timer. And I think you can see the reaction slowing down, the water starting to clear up. Yeah, mostly watching this. There's little pieces coming off, but they tend to dissolve. Actually, I've got two pieces now about the same size. This is new, but hopefully they'll finish about the same time. And when you do this, you'll see like there'll be some sediment on the bottom. It'll just keep bubbling, sometimes for half an hour. We're not interested in that. We're interested when the big pieces of the bath bomb are gone. And again, it's almost there. I don't know if you can see where it is. There's this tiny little stubborn piece. It's almost gone. It's like right over in here. and it's gone. So I got a time, bath bomb's gone, and all I want you to do is repeat this for each bath bomb that you made. Ultimately, what we're interested in you getting is the mass of sodium bicarbonate and mass of citric acid in each bath bomb and the time it takes to dissolve converted to seconds. And then we're asking you to make a graph from the citric acid mass and the time and bring that graph and the beaker back to the competition.